So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create function on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, and just after that select this profile icon. Now go with this option right here called Access Zoho CRM. Now select the settings icon and select this option right here. Now select this button called new function and put all of these details right here, just like your function name. Second is display name. You have to also write a description about your new function, and you have to categorize your new function from this list right here. And after filling all of these details, just select create right here. Now you can either choose this button called save or choose save and execute. So we'll go with save. And now we have successfully created function on our Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys can also be able to create function on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.